people talking to each other about
for sure,
about mental health and what's going on for them. Like, I think with Ruby, she's just, because my anxiety was quite high, started to creep in last year, and you know, we talked about and it's well documented about my struggle with anorexia when I was a kid, and you know, and how severe it was, and so I know myself very well, and I could see my anxiety rising, and so I sort of checked back into therapy really. But one of the things alongside the therapy that helped me massively was this little one.
You're kind of like mini balls of a furry therapist.
She was just like I've had her, so it's 2 years we've had it. I've had her now, and the difference from when I struggled in the past, like with anxiety and worries, to the difference I have now. Like, I can be crying on the phone to mum and dad and having a bit of a breakdown, and then I look at her and she'll come and sit next to me, and then I'll start smiling, and like in that moment everything is forgotten.
I'm here with that. High five for that.
It's brilliant. It's just, and I just hope that, you know, I'm doing a little bit of work with Dogs for Good in September.
Brilliant. We may see you there, hopefully.
Yeah, I hope so, because I think the concept of what they do as a charity is so what we stand for in terms of like therapy dogs and emotional support from dogs, and the things that we spoke about, like dogs in schools, dogs in business. It's just, I just don't think you can underestimate the power of dogs.
No,
I really don't.
You know, how it changes your whole psyche, how you can focus on something else, someone else's needs as well. That is dependent on you in so many ways. On, you know, some dogs on grooming, definitely on feeding, of course, that goes with the given, but yeah, they...
And a lot of my friends who, you know, have got depression and struggle, I'm not saying a lot of my friends have got depression, but people I know that have got depression and they've got dogs, it helps them get out of bed. There's not an option to just stick. You've got to sort of go, right, what do they need? And I just think, there's just a lot to be said. The little ones like you.
Go for it, Ruby.